Yo, what's good, y'all? We about to be reacting to another rugby. It's another rugby video. Y'all told me I started reacting to individuals. Y'all gave me some names in the comments. So the first one we about to react to is Kurtlee Arendse. I believe that's how you pronounce it. But yeah, Kurtlee. I'm gonna say Kurtlee is a freak of nature, brutally aggressive and unbelievably fast. Unbelievably fast. So we're gonna see. It's an 8-minute video, so like, comment, subscribe, and we're gonna see what's up with it.
Kurtlee Arendse.
That's what I was talking about in the first half. Just has no, just no fear. Why would you do that?
Oh, okay. Damn. Oh, come here. Oh, come here. Oh yeah, that's a 4-2, 4-3 speed. Okay, now he definitely got some speed. I'm seeing speed, 4-3. How tall is he too? He looked like he about 5'7", 5'6".
Back there aside, on there from Farrell. Stewart, what a tackle that was from Kurtlee Arendse. Quick show and go.
Oh my God. Damn.
And out it goes to Arendse. Arendse squeezes his way over. What a start.
Nah, bro, fast. Oh, and it. Oh, no, it's not catching it. Yo, he's going.
And Kurtlee Arendse takes an awful lot of stopping. And he's not even.
That's 4-3. Oh my God, he's going. Oh my God. Bro, it's mad fast. What the?
The first receiver with some poor pass.
Oh my God. Oh yeah, he know you. Yeah, it's over. You know he's going.
Daly's pass is a good one, long pass.
Damn.
Picked up now, loose ball. Kurtlee Arendse will go all the way against the run of play. First game.
Ain't no catching, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Damn. No way. No way. Bro, they let that. How you let that happen?
Overcooked. And Hussein is away. And Hussein.
Oh my God. Yo, his speed is crazy. Bro, his speed is crazy. Bro, you wasn't lying when you say he was unbelievably fast. That's at least a 4-3. It might be a 4-2. The way he changes in gear, like as soon as you get the ball, there's no catching him, bro.
Knows he possesses liver, throws it out to Khaleesi, on to Arendse. Here's a 2-on-1. Capuzzo in two minds. Arendse's going for the hat-trick. Is he? No! It's inside to Reinach.
Oh my God. Yo, he's gone.
And lolloping his way into contact. Low out the back door to Arendse. 1v1. What a sidestep from Arendse.
Oh yeah, too. Oh my God. Oh my, he said. Come here. Oh yeah. Oh. Got him. Stupid. He said, come here. Oh, got him.
He's spoken about him. He's brought something special.
Look at this. But he make everybody in the court look slow. Look at this. Come here. Oh my God.
Hi.
Have you ever tried this before?
I don't believe I have. Oh. Crispy.
Creamy.
Yo. He making them look so slow on the field, bro. Like he's running at a whole different pace, a whole different speed, bro.
This is the sort of position in which he can hurt teams. Fabiani gets him at the second.
No way. No. Oh, I'm about to say. Nah, he fearless though. He don't care. Like he taking the contact and everything. He like Tyreek Hill in rugby. Hey, he runs just like Tyreek, bro. Oh, interception. Too easy. Yo.
Chris Dry, two-handed tap back to Selvin Davids. And the blitz box are away.
Yo, look at... Bro.
Arendse.
Like, his speed is crazy.
To do. Sinatla gives chase. Brilliant from kurtlee Arendse. Chased by Diamani. That's a high tackle.
Yo, what? Nobody can catch him?
Arendse, brilliant take by Arendse. Superb stuff. He looks like Cheslin Colby. He moves like Cheslin Colby.
His name is Kurtlee Arendse. I said Arendse.
That's offside. Here come the Bulls. Mapu, lovely hands to Arendse, who's jinking and jiving and sending Papier under the posts. There's the ball now. Tangwe, Stain.
Oh my God.
Mapu, Arendse the dip. Oh, what a finish.
Yo, nah, he's a problem. Yeah, insane speed and everything. Yeah, he definitely is one of the ones. There's gonna be some more rugby players. There's gonna be some more rugby players. Y'all let me know who I should actually look after this. But yeah, he's definitely a freak of nature from what I've seen. Speed is crazy. But it's like everybody, he's running at his own pace, his own speed. Everybody else, you just, it looked like they was running in slow motion. He's running, he's slow body. Yeah, I could tell, but people hate playing him. I think because I remember I said something in my first ever reaction. I said, yo, who is this? Number 11. I said, yo, he's going crazy. Doesn't he play on the Springboks? I don't know. Y'all let me know in the comments. Like this video, look at this video to 10 likes, and more reactions come for y'all. So I appreciate y'all.